Why does the trace memory size problem occur, and how to solve it? First, let's find out what the trace memory size is. The trace memory size is the memory of the controller, where trace or movement information is stored while the machine is running. If this memory size is set too low, it is not possible to save the trace data completely when running large or complex designs. This can result in various problems, such as traces or paths not being recorded correctly. Performance decreases when running large files. The solution to this problem is very simple. Let's take a look. Go to System and Global Parameters. Select Manufacturer and enter the KAFA password. Then click Confirm. Now find 11907, trace memory size, and set its value to 100. Then set the value of 11,908, track control quality gradient, to 100. Now run the machine again. This change has resolved the issue.
Problem solved. Thanks for watching.